So here we are, the next weekend, and we're back out here at the bus. So it's actually Friday night. We just got off work. We got off a lot later than we wanted to. Some stuff happened at work that kept me there. But we are currently polyurethaning the sheets. And I'll show you in a minute, but we're using a roller this time and doing it before I put the frame together, and it's working way better. So, yep, so we're just going to work for a few hours, try to get this coats on, and then we're going to put the frames together tomorrow morning. So, let's go see what Paige is doing.
That is creepy as hell. Honestly, you could have been a murderer. I was like sitting here bracing myself, being like, it's probably Tyler, but if it's a murderer, I'm dead.
Whew. So it's currently the next morning. Last night our new LED lights that we have were not charged all the way, so we were only able to get one coat of polyurethane on there, which is okay. We're going to, or at least this morning, I'm going to focus on trying to get the small max fan installed for the shower. It should be a pretty easy hole to cut. Should be able to just knock it out with the jigsaw. And yeah, I'd like to get that done before breakfast. Paige is working on breakfast now. And then after that, I'm going to help her finish up the frames. And then this afternoon we'll start these guys, cutting these holes. I'd like to be able to get all the above done, so both fans, both windows, but we'll see how it goes. So let's get started. Alright. It is now the next morning, and we've had a tremendously slow day today. It's already 3 o'clock actually by the time I'm talking to the camera right now. And me and Paige have just been relaxing. It just feels so good back here, sitting in this bedroom with this very small bed up here. Breeze is coming in. And we're exhausted. So, we got a few things to finish up today. We need to finish putting some butyl tape on the 2 Max fans, and then permanently mounting those down. And then the frames need to be block sanded for a final time. And then we're ready to put in these 2 big windows. So, that's what I'm about to jump on. I'm going to focus on the fans first. The page is cleaning up, and we'll go from there. So, we can't actually mount this down yet, and you can kind of tell that the roof is like super curved. So similar to the boat hatches and these frames that were curved, so that way we get a flat surface with the boat hatch to mount. This needs the same thing. I could load this with butyl tape, but I think we're more prone to leakage if we do that. So, bought this frame from Skoolie.com that I will mount between the hat channels. And I'm going to initially rivet the roof here to the support frame underneath. I should flatten out this section here, so that way the plastic housing has a flat location to mount to. I'm not prone to leaks or have any complications with mounting this to the frame itself. Cool. See, that's like almost 2 inches of gap here.
Who's your boy?
He's about to mount.
Look, this is where our bed's gonna be. This is where our new bed's gonna be.
What do you think, babe?
It's amazing. I love them. I can't wait to get the bed in here. And I want to sleep here all the time.
Looks great. Just have a little bit of adjustment with those latches though. But I think we'll get it worked out.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Anyway, so we just finished up the back 2 windows, and we are absolutely exhausted. How do you feel about the amount of work we got done this weekend?
I think everything is going along faster than I expected.
Yeah. We originally budgeted a whole separate weekend for these 2 fans, and they're pretty much done, except for that one frame. But, yeah, so...
Doesn't really make any sense to finish them up completely.
Yeah.
Because the ceiling's coming down next week.
Yep. Gotta bring the ceiling down next weekend and start preparing for spray foam. And run a bunch of electrical. That's what we gotta do next. So, anyway, we're gonna close this one off. Try to get packed up so we can go to bed. Got work tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
See you next weekend.